Welcome to your energizing positive affirmations. You can sit, dance, walk, or jog during your time with me. Take some nice conscious breaths. This will bring your awareness to the present moment. If you can breathe so that your belly rises and falls, that would be advantageous. It is abdominal breathing and fully oxygenates your body for more energy. Stay focused on your breathing and the affirmations to take full advantage of this meditation. I invite you to repeat these statements after me, if possible out loud with conviction and a smile. Remember to breathe the words in with long, rhythmic breaths. There will be time between each statement for you to be able to really focus on the words. Allow them to land in your body and heart. Here goes. I am achieving great things every day. I am so grateful for the gifts I receive from others. I am open to receive love. I am grateful for my health and well-being. I am totally supported by the universe. I am enjoying this now moment. I am so fortunate. I am always in the right place at the right time. I am grateful for the gifts I receive from others. I am an inspiration simply by being myself. I am evolving day by day into my fullest potential. I am courageously growing every day. I am open-hearted and give love freely. I am trusting that I am always in the right place at the right time. I am resilient and resourceful. I am a compassionate and generous person. I am living my best life. I am pursuing my dreams with joy. I am radiant with vitality and health. I am always kind and loving towards myself and others. I am trusting that what is meant for me won't go by me. I am in the flow of abundance. I am capable of forgiveness of myself and others. I am deserving of all the good that life has to offer. I am trusting in the flow of life. I am grateful for all the experiences in my life, the ups and the downs. I am a kind and generous person. I am able to communicate clearly and lovingly. I am willing to keep learning and changing for the better. I am in constant gratitude for myself and others. I am love in joyous action. And so it is. Smile wide and take in a nice long breath. And let it out. There is a link on your screen to a breathing meditation if you would like more. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.